Good morning. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. Today is Thursday, August 5th, and this is your opening bell market update. U.S. stock futures are trading lower as the Labor Department's weekly jobless claims report is released. The Labor Department reported initial claims for unemployment benefits jumped by 19,000 last week to 479,000. Economists had expected a drop in claims. And in corporate news, Cardinal Health reported its earnings before the bell. The company posted second quarter EPS of 50 cents, which was marginally ahead of the street estimate of 49 cents per share. Revenues rose by 0.5% year over year to $24.46 billion, missing the street estimate of $24.68 billion. Spectra Energy Corporation also reporting earnings this morning. The company posted EPS of 27 cents before the bell, missing the street estimate of 29 cents per share. Revenues rose by 13% year over year to $1.06 billion, which topped the street estimate of $1.04 billion. Taking a look at market futures this morning, the Dow Jones Industrial Average futures are trading 4 points above fair value. The S&P 500 trading 1.6 points below fair value, and the Nasdaq trading a quarter of a point below fair value. Now, for more perspective on what's happening in the markets today, let's turn it to Andy Zamfotis from Lagard Capital. Good morning, Andy.
Morning, Christy. Well, yesterday the market gained back pretty much what it had lost the day before after some positive news out of ADP. Also, ISM Services Index, both those came out better than expected, and so that gave us some energy and some momentum to equities. This morning, we do have initial jobless claims. The expectation is for about 455,000, and really we've hung around this 450 level. We'd like to start seeing that come down to give some people some idea that maybe the economy is starting to create new jobs. Futures ahead of the data are trading above fair value. Yesterday, we had some positive earnings after the close from News Corp, and this morning, Viacom topped estimates by 2 cents. So we're seeing some positive reports out of the media space, so that's pretty encouraging. Also this morning, BP shares are indicated about 3% higher. The company is expected to cement the well in the Gulf of Mexico and what it's calling the static kill, so that could give a lift to energy shares as well. Really tomorrow, the big unemployment report is due out. The expectation is for a decline, largely due to the census workers starting to get laid off, but private payrolls are expected to increase. And usually ahead of a big number like this, we see some traders position their books in what could be a volatile day. Right now, the S&P is at 1127. The June highs are at 1131. So that will be a key level to watch. If we can kind of get above there these next few days, I think that bodes well for a rally into the end of the summer.
Thank you so much for your perspective, Andy. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. For more news and market analysis, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Trade the Trend. Also visit our website, tradethetrend.com, for more headlines.